In this video, we'll show you how to install Kaspersky Internet Security. First, make sure your computer meets the system requirements. Then, go to the Kaspersky Lab site, download the installation file, and run it. In the Welcome window, click Continue. Read the license agreement and select the checkbox if you agree to its terms. Carefully read the privacy policy and confirm your agreement. Then click Accept to proceed. Read the Kaspersky Security Network statement and choose if you want to participate in sharing information about new threats. Confirm your actions. Read the statement regarding data processing for marketing purpose and accept it. Now, click Install. Allow the installation in the Windows User Account Control window. If the application discovers incompatible programs, select the items for automatic removal or delete them manually. Wait until the installation is complete. Then review and apply the recommended settings. Kaspersky Internet Security is installed. Now activate the application to enable protection.